Tired of wasting hours doing repetitive work? I'll show you 3 powerful, free AI tools to boost productivity 5 times. Let's dive in and level up your workflow for 2025. First up, ChatGPT. It saves hours by writing emails, scripts, or generating ideas. Just type what you need, and it instantly writes, summarizes, or brainstorms with you. Pro tip: use prompts like, summarize this in 3 key points to cut your time in half.
Next, Gamma, an AI tool that creates beautiful presentations in seconds. Just type your topic, and Gamma designs a full slide deck automatically. Perfect for anyone needing to visualize ideas quickly. You can export to PDF or share online, no installation needed. Finally, Pika Labs, an AI video creator turning text into realistic motion clips. Describe what you imagine and get a professional short video in seconds. This is perfect for YouTube intros or product demos. It's free to start and saves hours of editing time. These 3 tools will supercharge your workflow. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and tell me your favorite AI tool in the comments.